My name is Alex Mohar Csaky, and I just graduated from the University of Oxford, reading archaeology and anthropology.
My name is Maja Košir. I am currently studying communication management and getting a minor in biology at the University of Dayton.
My name is Bautista Krasevec, and I am a mechanical engineering student at the University of Buenos Aires.
My name is Sophia Jarc, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and I am studying industrial engineering at Purdue University.
My name is Janko Kalan, and I come from Pittsburgh, Kansas. My relatives come from Senično, which is near Tržić.
ASEF is such a prestigious foundation with over 150 mentors all around the world, so just to have the privilege to be part of ASEF alumni, for sure it can open lots of doors. ASEF made a great job finding my mentor and Elaphe, which is a world-leading company in its field. Also, meeting my family and lots of Slovenians has strengthened my relationship with this nation. So the option of moving here has become much more serious, so maybe in 5 years I can be living in Slovenia. You never know.
The ASEF Junior Fellows program is so much more valuable than studying abroad or interning at a company in the United States because it's allowed me to work in a field of interest where I also get to explore my heritage. Back at home, I've made batitsa, strudel, kielbasa, etc., but having it here would be such a great experience.
I'm excited to visit sites that showcase Slovenia's rich water resources such as Lake Bled, the Socha River and the Postojna cave system. These locations not only hold cultural and historical significance, but also directly relate to my research on water's influence on tourism and recreation in Slovenia. I think the three things that I'll remember most will be the kind, generous spirit of the people I've met so far, the unique landscape of the country and how that shapes the activities of the people that visit and live here, and the activities organised by ASEF that have already provided me with some good friends that I'm sure I'll keep in contact with.
Growing up surrounded by Slovenian culture has significantly shaped who I am today. My grandparents are Slovenian immigrants. They instilled in me the value of hard work through their own inspiring journey. The prominent cultural influence in my life has fostered a deep appreciation for my roots and where I come from. The most exciting part of my job has been the opportunity to work with people from all around Europe. Interacting with not only Slovenians, but also with people from various European countries has been incredibly enriching. I love this aspect of my work because it allows me to learn from diverse perspectives and build an international network.
In the past few months, I've been working at UKC Ljubljana, the main hospital in Slovenia. I have been going to various departments to gain as much experience in physical therapy as I can in the time that I am here. The ASEF program is a great experience for anyone looking to expand their knowledge in their chosen career field, while also connecting with the country from which their families come from. The program can also open doors to potential employers even here in Slovenia.
I would say do not be afraid to apply for the program and most definitely reach outside of your comfort zone.